Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable silent messaging in line 24 actually. First thing you do is open up your line app and then you tap on the gear icon and then you scroll down to notifications, tap on it, then you see message notifications, tap on message notifications. You want to enable silent messaging, we don't want any announcements or notifications, so simply turn it off. Now no more notifications. You can also mute it for an hour until a particular time, maybe 24 hours. You can mute for an hour or you can mute until 8 a.m. depends on you. So that's it. That is how to have or enable silent messaging on inline app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.